Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Canada is so cold. Canada's vast northern expanse and geographical position are primary reasons for its consistently low temperatures. Much of the country lies at very high latitudes, meaning it receives less direct sunlight throughout the year. This fundamental factor sets the stage for a generally chilly climate, especially during the long winter months. We'll explore how these elements combine to create Canada's famously cold weather. A major contributor to Canada's cold is its high latitude. Most of the country sits far north, above 49 degrees north latitude, which means the sun's rays hit at a very oblique angle. This significantly reduces the amount of solar energy absorbed, especially in winter. Furthermore, there are no major mountain ranges running east to west to block the frigid Arctic air masses that frequently sweep down from the North Pole, bringing extremely low temperatures across the prairies and into central Canada. Beyond latitude, ocean currents and topography play significant roles. The cold Labrador Current, for instance, chills Canada's eastern coast, keeping temperatures lower than similar latitudes in Europe. The vast, shallow Hudson Bay also acts as a massive cold air reservoir, influencing the climate of surrounding regions. Additionally, mountain ranges like the Rockies can create rain shadows and trap cold air in valleys, leading to localized extreme cold conditions, especially in the interior. In summary, Canada's cold climate is a complex interplay of its high northern latitude, the constant influx of Arctic air, and specific geographical features like cold ocean currents and large inland bodies of water. These factors combine to create a country where temperatures can frequently drop to -40 degrees Celsius or even lower in some regions. Understanding these elements helps explain why Canada is known for its truly formidable winters. For more tips on staying cozy and other great deals, check the description below and make sure to hit that like button.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.